sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na?
Hi, I'm Philip Segovia.
Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma.
Elijah,
Hey, Philip.
alam mo, sa lahat ng nakilala kong lalaki, siguro ikaw ang pinaka-charming.
You're just saying that to make me feel good. Ang palipas oras mo lang ako, no?
No, I'm not. I'm honest kaya. Tsaka, you know ba?
Oo na, sige na. Tara, filter tayo.
Isn't she Philip's girlfriend? Who is that guy? Wait, let me take a picture.
I'm sorry. Don't you get it? I do not feel the same way for you anymore. Why can't you just move on?
I do get it. But you said you aren't gonna leave me. Please, make up with your promise.
My decision is final. Let's break up.
I don't know what the purpose of my life is without her. She was my everything. Ever since we lost communication, I wasn't the same. Wala na po nakita akong kalipay. I get irritated easily. All those moments, simple or not, gone to waste. And at that moment, I realized love hurts.